All right, so we are once again up way too early in the morning. However, this time we are going to be heading out on a 3-hour drive. We're going to be picking up the engine that will be going in my 1955 or 56 Ford Fairlane. We still have yet to figure it out completely. Hopefully by next week I'll know for sure. I have some people saying it's a 55. I have some people saying it's a 56. I was originally told it was a 54. At this point, I really don't care what it is. I'm going to get a motor for it. I'm going to get this thing running, and that's all that matters. So let's go. It's too early for this, but we got to do what we got to do. Of Drew's in Madera, California, getting ready to pick up my new engine for the 1956 Ford Fairlane. Got the trailer ready to go. We're taking home a whole chassis along with the engine. Let's get it. Here's what I'm taking home today. Taking the wheels off now so we can clear it on the trail. I got it. YouTube or something? Yeah. We had a long pull last time. Yeah. Let's get this hooked. You want to go hook to hook? The other one is right there with the double. Check the other side, because that's the side that's like, that honestly needs it. Good? Yeah. All right, we are halfway there. Slowing us down a bit right there, but I'll take care of it. Motor and trans. That's all I need it for. Alright. Finally got this thing on. That's a pain in the ass. We need a new one. Buying a winch when we get home. Fuck that shit. Oh, really? Yeah. Doing the pumps. Got the Divco on back. Alright guys, today we are one step closer to having the 1956 Ford Fairlane done. I just went and picked up my donor motor. It's actually a full engine swap, and it is a Ford 292. It's a Thunderbird motor, and I got it with a Ford Divco chassis. So this is what I'm working with. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button, give me a like, you know, something. I'm gonna keep making these videos whether people like them or not, so whatever. All right, we just got the trailer in place. Gonna try and roll it right off the back. It's actually rolling on its own. Just started to roll as you were jacking it up.
Yeah, I pushed it.
All right, I'll come around and give you a hand. We're about to roll this bitch off right now. Going for the Ford Divco. It's about to go.
There it is.
Woo. Here we go, here we go. Stop from rolling back into the trailer. Perfect. Got the Divco off. 1960s milk truck. All of this right here will be going in that right there. 1956 Ford FAIRLANE. From Divco to FAIRLANE. The motor that's in here currently is out of a Thunderbird as well. All right, so it's the sun's going down right now. I have very limited time. I'm currently removing the engine from the 1960 Ford Divco. It's a 292. It'll be going in the 1956 Ford FAIRLANE that I'm currently building. It's right next to it right here. This thing needs to come out because it's getting sold tomorrow, and man, I hate this. It's only like 4:30 or 5 o'clock right now, and we have almost no sun left. So this daylight savings thing, I mean, it's really killing us right now. I really don't like this time change. But I'm going to get back to this so I can do it as quickly as I can before I lose daylight. I have about 5 more bolts to remove. Then I got, bring the tractor over. And, damn, I just got hit with a radiator. That was not fun. So, let's keep this going. Well, there's one of the bolts right there. First one's out. We're going to keep it moving. Second bolt out now. 1, 2. Gotta go for the rear bolts, and I think that's it. All right, so we gotta remove these 2 right here. One on this side, one on that side. Good old 19 millimeter. Back under the Divco. Back under here. Trying to figure out what fits. Apparently it's this. Alright. Let's see what we got here. Alright. Got one mount out. Head around to the other side and get the other. Alright. So we have to get this bolt off next. We're going to put this right up against the casing of the transmission so it doesn't move. Get back underneath the car. Got a little something to lay on. It's always helpful. And now, going back under. Yeah, be kidding me. We actually have to knock this one from the top. Let's take ourselves back out here. There's the bolt that we just took off. We gotta get the actual bolt out. That was just the nut, sorry. So this is gonna have to be knocked down. And I think that's the last of the bolts right there. All right. So we have the motor and transmission mounts out. The bolts are, we have one just chilling there. We're gonna bring the tractor down tomorrow morning, hook the chains around, lift it on out, pull it to the side, and then I'm gonna inspect it, make sure it's good to put in the 56 FAIRLANE. We have, this thing will be making its way out sometime during the week. And I have a pair of wheels that I'll be selling that I also got for free. Those will be going tomorrow, and they'll be paying for the bumper that I'm picking up for this on Saturday. Everything's coming together really nicely, and I'm just gonna keep letting the universe do its thing, and I'm thankful, you know? I am thankful. I didn't mean to cross my fingers for that one. I am thankful. Just finished taking the rest of the bolts off of the exhaust. Got those out. So now we're good to lift it up, I believe. Should be good. I don't think we're missing anything. Got the tank out of the way. Let's get this out of the way. All right. Time for some tractor power.
You motherfucker.
Or maybe not. Tractor died.
No, tractors just don't like to start with the key sometimes. Turn it on.
That's how you do it.
When you have an old-ass Chinese tractor.
Yep. Old Chinese Power King PK 500. You're good. Tight enough. Place the fuel line. Hang this line. There we go. I looped it through the header. Back up a little bit. Out. Got the Divco over here. So we had another successful day. Got the engine out of the Divco, the 292 motor that will be going into my Ford Fairlane. Still don't know if it's a 55 or a 56. We'll figure that out sometime this week. I was told it's a 56. I was also told it was a 54, but now I'm being told that it looks like it may be a 55. I don't know what it is, but it's gonna be fun to drive. I know that. When I'm done with it, it's gonna be a good time. So hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.